Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to jump-start a Chrysler Pacifica. First, gather your jumper cables and a vehicle with a charged battery. Park the working vehicle close enough for the cables to reach, but do not let the vehicles touch. Make sure both vehicles are completely turned off to prevent electrical damage. Locate the jump-start terminals, usually under the hood, as the battery might be less accessible. Now, let's connect the cables correctly. First, attach one red positive clamp to the positive terminal of the dead Pacifica battery. Next, connect the other red positive clamp to the positive terminal of the working vehicle's battery. Then, connect one black negative clamp to the negative terminal of the working vehicle's battery. This sequence helps ensure a safe connection. For the final connection, attach the remaining black negative clamp to an unpainted metal surface on your Pacifica, away from the battery. This creates a ground connection. Now, start the working vehicle and let it run for about 5 minutes to transfer some charge. After this brief charging period, try to start your Chrysler Pacifica. If it doesn't start immediately, wait a minute and try again. Once your Pacifica starts, disconnect the jumper cables in the reverse order of connection. First, remove the black negative cable from the Pacifica, then from the working vehicle. Next, remove the red positive cable from the working vehicle, and finally from your Pacifica. Drive your vehicle for at least 20 minutes to allow the alternator to fully recharge the battery. Remember to check the description for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.